In the realm of automotive craftsmanship, one name reigns supreme: Rolls-Royce. For over a century, this iconic British luxury brand has epitomized elegance, opulence, and innovation. Revered for its uncompromising dedication to engineering excellence, Rolls-Royce has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive design, setting benchmarks that others aspire to achieve. Enter the Rolls-Royce Spectre, a paradigm-shifting masterpiece that embodies the pinnacle of automotive artistry and technological marvel. The curtain rises on the world's first-ever Rolls-Royce Spectre, an automotive spectacle that transcends convention and defines a new era of luxury motoring. This groundbreaking creation represents the culmination of years of meticulous craftsmanship, visionary design, and cutting-edge engineering prowess. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The genesis of brilliance. The genesis of the Rolls-Royce Spectre epitomizes the brand's unwavering commitment to evolution and innovation. This groundbreaking creation was conceived from a legacy steeped in tradition, yet guided by an unyielding pursuit of excellence. Rolls-Royce, renowned for its centuries-old heritage of crafting automotive masterpieces, embarked on a journey to redefine luxury motoring. Drawing inspiration from its illustrious past, the Spectre project was born out of a desire to transcend the ordinary and set new standards in automotive craftsmanship. Visionaries, engineers, and artisans collaborated seamlessly, infusing their collective expertise and passion into every aspect of its design and creation. Innovative engineering met the finest craftsmanship, resulting in a fusion of timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology. The Spectre's genesis represents the culmination of meticulous planning, relentless dedication, and a commitment to creating an automotive icon that stands as a testament to Rolls-Royce's pursuit of brilliance. Design elegance redefined. In redefining design elegance, the Rolls-Royce Spectre emerges as an unparalleled testament to automotive artistry. Its exterior silhouette embodies an exquisite blend of tradition and modernity, captivating onlookers with a graceful yet commanding presence. Every line and contour has been meticulously sculpted, seamlessly intertwining aerodynamic efficiency with aesthetic allure. At the forefront of its design language lies the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, a symbol of Rolls-Royce's prestigious heritage, proudly gracing the imposing grille. This emblematic feature serves as a prelude to the opulence that awaits within. Step inside, and the interior unveils a realm of unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a manifestation of refined opulence, meticulously curated with the finest materials and exquisite craftsmanship. Handcrafted leather swaths every surface, while the finest wood veneers and bespoke finishes add an aura of sophistication. The marriage of technology and tradition is evident in every detail, where modern amenities seamlessly coexist with timeless design elements. The design ethos of the Rolls-Royce Spectre goes beyond aesthetics. It embodies an ethos of elegance, sophistication, and an unwavering commitment to elevating the standard of luxury automotive design. Engineering marvels and performance prowess. The engineering prowess of the Rolls-Royce Spectre lies at the core of its remarkable performance, defining a new paradigm in luxury motoring. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a meticulously crafted powertrain, a testament to relentless innovation and precision engineering. The Spectre's performance capabilities are nothing short of extraordinary. Seamlessly blending power and refinement, the powertrain harnesses an amalgamation of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship. Its dynamic capabilities are a symphony of seamless power delivery, ensuring an exhilarating yet serene driving experience. Bolstered by an array of advanced technologies, the Spectre doesn't merely excel in performance, but also in safety and convenience. Intelligent driver assist systems integrate flawlessly, enhancing the driving experience and ensuring optimal control on diverse terrains. Each component of the Spectre's engineering architecture is fine-tuned to perfection, harmonizing power, agility, and comfort. Whether cruising on open highways or navigating challenging landscapes, the Spectre's engineering marvels come to life, elevating the driving experience to unparalleled heights. It stands as a testament to Rolls-Royce's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering while delivering a driving encounter that epitomizes both luxury and performance. The future of luxury mobility. The Rolls-Royce Spectre signifies a pioneering leap into the future of luxury mobility. setting the stage for a new era where opulence meets sustainability and technological innovation. As the automotive landscape evolves, Rolls-Royce remains at the forefront, redefining luxury mobility with a steadfast commitment to sustainability and innovation. In an age where environmental consciousness takes center stage, the Spectre embodies Rolls-Royce's dedication to sustainable luxury. Innovative engineering solutions and eco-conscious initiatives have been seamlessly integrated into its design, aiming to minimize environmental impact without compromising the hallmark luxury and performance associated with the brand. Moreover, the Spectre serves as a blueprint for the convergence of advanced technologies and unparalleled comfort. It paves the way for a future where luxury vehicles are not just symbols of opulence, but also pioneers in cutting-edge advancements, offering state-of-the-art features that cater to the evolving needs of discerning clientele. By embracing sustainable practices and technological advancements, the Spectre not only exemplifies the pinnacle of luxury, but also heralds a future where automotive excellence and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. It stands as a testament to Rolls-Royce's vision of shaping a future where luxury mobility is synonymous with innovation, elegance, and responsible engineering. The Spectre Experience. Owning a Rolls-Royce Spectre transcends conventional automotive ownership. It encapsulates an immersive, bespoke experience tailored to indulge the most discerning tastes and desires. The Spectre ownership journey is a harmonious blend of opulence, exclusivity, and unparalleled service, meticulously crafted to cater to the whims of its distinguished clientele. From the moment a patron embarks on the Spectre acquisition journey, they're enveloped in a world of customization possibilities. Every detail, from the choice of sumptuous materials to personalized configurations, is curated to reflect the individuality and preferences of the owner. Beyond the acquisition, the Spectre ownership experience extends to a realm of unmatched luxury services. Rolls-Royce's commitment to unparalleled customer service ensures that every interaction is characterized by sophistication and attentiveness, catering to every need and surpassing expectations. Moreover, the Spectre ownership journey is not confined to the driver's seat. It extends to exclusive events, curated gatherings, and an exclusive community of like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of belonging among the privileged few who share the extraordinary experience of Spectre ownership. In essence, owning a Rolls-Royce Spectre is not just possessing an automobile. It's embracing an exclusive lifestyle, a realm where luxury, craftsmanship, and unparalleled service converge to create an experience that transcends the ordinary, ensuring that every moment with the Spectre is nothing short of extraordinary. Conclusion: a visionary triumph. The world's first Rolls-Royce Spectre is more than an automobile. It's a visionary triumph that sets a new benchmark for luxury, innovation, and excellence. It's a symphony of craftsmanship, technology, and opulence orchestrated to captivate the senses and redefine the very essence of automotive luxury. As Rolls-Royce continues its legacy of crafting automotive marvels, the Spectre stands tall as a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of possibility. In this inaugural masterpiece, Rolls-Royce not only showcases its engineering prowess, but also paves the way for a future where luxury and innovation coalesce seamlessly. The Spectre represents a paradigm shift in automotive luxury, inviting enthusiasts to embark on a journey where dreams meet reality, where the extraordinary becomes the norm. It's not just a vehicle, it's an embodiment of aspiration, a celebration of automotive excellence, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection by Rolls-Royce. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.